I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to finish the installation of the horizontal roller 375. I'm now ready to set the sash back into the frame. Remember your roller guides. The roller guides are going to be down here in the track, and you're going to have them pushed all the way to each side of the sill. Now I'm ready to set the sash into the sill first, and I'm going to tilt it forward and get it inside of the header. Here's one of the rollers. If you take it out, remember when setting back in, these nubs must face the interior. Start with the nubs first, and then it will sit flat onto the track. The next step is to raise your sash on one corner. Move this just underneath the edge of the sash, and this is going to rest right on top of it. Using the same screw as you removed earlier, go ahead and screw it back into the side of the sash, which is going to catch the roller. Use a screwdriver to prevent damage to the frame. I'm now going to follow the same process on the other side. The next step is to ensure your sash operates smoothly and locks. The last step on the inside of the window are adding your plugs. These plugs are going to snap down into the hole here and allow the water to drain into the sill and outside. The window has now been anchored square, level, plumb, and the sash operates correctly. I'm ready to apply a continuous bead of sealant to the exterior side of the window. This window was shipped with the weep hole covers inserted already into the sill. Ensure the flaps are free and both weep holes are unobstructed. To recap, I've now finished the installation of the horizontal roller 375 Estate Series. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.